Hello, welcome to the Moon Scarab channel. My name is Ramon. This video is different from the ones I've posted till now. I've been posting tutorials about different divination methods, but today I want to share a divination tool that I made for myself, and it's in this box. I'm a big believer of making your own divination tools. Of course, that's if you have the time and the inclination to do so, but I think you connect better with your tools when you make them yourself. I feel it infuses them with your energy. Alright, so I have it in this beautiful box, and these are tarot dice. I always wanted a tarot dice set, but I could never find one that could depict the images clearly or had the actual images of the Rider-Waite-Smith deck, so I made my own. These are 14 dice on this set. 13 of them have the 78 images from the RWS tarot deck, and dice 14 is the dice with the numbers. Each dice, of course, has 6 sides, so if you divide 78 images by 6 sides on each dice, that's 13 dice needed. So we have all 13 here. Each dice is made of wood. I used this type of wood block to make them. And what I did was I painted these dice in kind of like a metallic gold, and this one in a metallic night blue tone, just to make it different from the other ones. I found this box at a thrift store, and it was totally meant for these dice because all 14 fit perfectly. The images were trimmed and retouched in Photoshop. I printed them on a vinyl sticker paper and coated them with a matte sealer. Dice 14 has numbers from the own handwriting found on Pamela Coleman Smith's images. She was the artist who created these groundbreaking images for the RWS tarot deck. If you see, I got these numbers from the images themselves, but I'm going to explain these in a second. The problem I always had with dice is, for example, like in this case, if you get the image from the Sun card, you know you're never going to get the Lovers. However, I realized that the beauty of tarot is that there are parallel cards to many of the images in the deck. For example, to me, the Two of Cups card is parallel to the Lovers card. The Six of Wands card is parallel to the Chariot card. The Eight of Cups card is parallel to the Hermit card. And the Eight of Pentacles is parallel to the Magician, and so on. I'm not saying that they're 100% equals, but they share many similar traits that one can compensate for the other. Of course, some people might disagree, and that's fine, but it's my interpretation and what works for me. Alright, let's move on. The blue dice assists me in selecting the amount of dice to use in the reading. For example, if I select 2 dice, then you might ask, why not 3 dice? Why not 5? And to remove that from the equation, I let the forces that be, my spiritual guides, to decide how many to use. Normally, I don't go beyond 6 cards when I do a reading. Between 3 and 5 is usually the norm to me. So the guides through the blue dice tell me how many to select, and I select randomly and instinctively the dice to use, and I toss them. Then I get a reading. Of course, I could also simply just use a deck of cards. Why the complication? But I enjoy the variety of using different tools to get to the same end. It's fun, and I enjoy the creative process. I think it adds more fun to the reading. Please comment below what you think about these. I'll be posting soon some more tools that I made, and I hope to inspire you to make your own. And please share with us if and which tools you created. Blessings to all. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and share it with someone who might benefit from it. And click the subscribe button for more future videos about tarot, divination, and other esoteric topics.